What's up, bros, today? And I'm on a bike ride today, and it's kind of hard because I'm holding my phone, which is special to me. And my mom and dad just found a deer. Okay. Oh, I think I see a deer, guys.
Are they elk or deer? It looks like they're elk or much bigger.
I can't see, guys. Camera sucks.
Do you see an antler?
Yeah, I see. And I just found a deer. And we're at Lucky Peak. And I'm going to show you the trail, guys. This gets situated here. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Careful. Come on the side, Kendrick. Come on the side of the truck.
And hey.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
I'm gonna be mad. Don't do that.
Okay, so yeah, so we're here today. Just found an elk. And we're just here. Just got a new bike. I posted a video to YouTube yesterday. Didn't work, so I had to delete it. Okay, so I posted a video to you yesterday about another YouTube. It was me at my school. I was going to show you guys all over the place. But sadly, it didn't make it on YouTube. So, yeah, wait. Okay.
We'll shake off everything.
Can we see the deer? Mom, can we see the deer?
Just a minute. Where was it, Isaac?
Oh my god.
Give me your jacket. And give me your gloves. You don't need gloves anymore. Here comes a bike. Get on your bike and get
That's
over.
the time.
Here comes a bike.
That's the time.
Hey guys, can you still see them?
They went down by the river.
Did they?
Dad,
Yeah.
there's a dad.
A what?
Isaac said it had antlers.
There's the time.
Really?
Can you see? No.
Like a buck or an elk? From back there, they look like elk.
I was wearing a long sleeve, but I didn't because it's super hot. This bike is kind of good. It's just that it's the number one thing I don't like is to get like 4, 5, 6,
See those people back there? Said they were walking
1,
down
2,
Oh
3.
yeah.
Yeah, they're shed hunting.
That
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's all.
and all that kind of
That's
chilling.
not what we're worried about goat
And
bike on that.
and I got the
Or let me get a go.
fraction right here, just like boop.
I know. They're coming.
And so, yeah. See you later. Checking with you later.